spreadsheet is just a computer program. So we are starting from the scratch, before we just move very fast. So I'm just going to give you some introduction so that you can just understand the terminologies that is available here. So a spreadsheet is a computer program that can capture and display and manipulate data arranged in rows and columns. And so whenever you hear a spreadsheet, it doesn't necessarily have to be Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is just an example of the spreadsheet software. So for people who, and for information, Microsoft Excel is a proprietary software. Proprietary software in the sense that you can only run Microsoft Excel within some environments, and which is Windows. So if you do not have a Windows computer, naturally you are not supposed to be able to use Microsoft Excel. So I'm talking about people who might be using like a Mac, that's like the Apple laptop, or people who might be using maybe a Linux. So normally you are not supposed to run Microsoft Excel, except maybe you are using Microsoft Excel online, which is very, very limited. So you really cannot do so much on Microsoft Excel outside Windows. And so, but it's just like one example of the spreadsheet software. And this class is just to help us address Microsoft Excel. And if you actually go to Microsoft Excel, you can always transfer whatever you have learned in Microsoft Excel to some other places. And so example of spreadsheet softwares include Microsoft Excel, as you know, Google Sheets, and then you have LibreOffice. So Google Sheet is just one online, and LibreOffice is for people who use like the Linux OS. So this one is like the default, which can do quite a lot of things, but of all of them, Microsoft Excel is still the most powerful, and that is exactly what we will be looking at in this class to show you